Do you want to know how you can get English subtitles in Tubi while watching movies? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get English subtitles while watching movies in Tubi. Go ahead and open tubitv.com and click any movie. Now you can play the movie and you can see the language bar besides the settings on the bottom hand corner. You can go ahead, click language and then go to English. After you click English, you can see that the subtitles will come in English. Now you can enjoy your movie watching English subtitles. This is quite an easy process, so you can do this and get the English subtitles. Let me show it to you once again how you can get English subtitles. Click on any movie and then play the movie. Now you can go to the language bar and tap on English. Now if you want to turn off the subtitles, you can simply click turn off and then you will get no subtitles. So this was a video on how you can get English subtitles in movies while watching Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.